today about the universal construct and how that relates to us as individuals, as singularities, in other words. If you think about it, the core of yourself, that essence of who you are, a conscious element that's locked within this physical body, is beyond the reach of science. It's beyond the realms of physics or biology or chemistry or any of the scientific principles. So essentially it is a singularity, just like the centre of a black hole is a singularity. It's only called that because beyond it, science doesn't have a clue what happens. So the same is true for us. We are singularities in our own right. What does that mean? Well, essentially it means that all the principles of universal law meet within our own selves. We have direct contact with superposition, duality, entanglement, uncertainty, retrocausality, all the others, the other quantum principles that are there waiting to be discovered in this context, all gravitate within ourselves. Our quarks and electrons are constantly shifting and moving and changing from one flavour and one place to another all the time, while these neutrinos from the sun are soaring through our bodies, trillions of them through our little fingers all the time. We are a mass, a teeming, seething mass of changing things, and that gives us huge capabilities that we don't really embrace enough. One of the biggest capabilities that we have is to accept and enjoy the process of change. Change happens as a result of entropy. It's an inevitable consequence of the universe being set up the way it is. So we can't balk change. We have to adapt and ride with it and do things that are good for us in being able to create parameters and trajectories for ourselves that work in our worlds. It doesn't matter if your circumstances aren't perfect or you're constricted within a difficult relationship. We're all constricted in difficult relationships in one way or another. But being able to work with universal law and adapt to the capabilities that we have, instead of bemoaning all things we're not supposed to be able to do, is hugely liberating and gives us opportunities that really we wouldn't otherwise consider. So I'm going to look at those in a bit more detail later on. There are lots of other videos to explore on this channel, so please subscribe to Quantumology, have a look through the vaults and enjoy your journey. And I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.